Hi, this is Bhairavi Shah, and you know I'm quite versatile and I'm doing quite many things, artwork, etc. And I offer my services in that areas where I can really contribute something to the person's life, and in a good way. And I'm also, of course, as you would already know, I'm a tarot reader, a numerologist, and I do certain spiritual coaching stuff as well. And there are other things as well. If you really know me, you know me very well about that. Anyway, these are certain things, tiny introduction, which I usually am not giving in this series. We are learning Lenormand, and today's card is Bouquet, card number 9. A bouquet, it can literally mean a bouquet, but usually it is happiness, it is gift, it is a surprise, a positive surprise, and it is a very positive card. In some cases, when we have read or we have our people around who are into the same thing, same field, this card also sometimes we have seen it. Okay, I would keep that aside. I would just make it simple, because my internal voice said no, not to say it right now. It can literally mean flowers as well. In some cases, it may mean insects, according to some books, some thoughts, some line of thoughts. Bouquet can be a gift, a pleasant surprise, a gift as well. And I have noticed sometimes a bouquet can also mean the product that you have purchased is delivered. So that is also one of the meanings. It is a very positive card. It also depends again the surrounding cards, but usually this is a positive card. And if I'm just thinking if I'm missing something to tell on this basic area. Alright, so because I already mentioned about happiness, it does imply happiness in the day-to-day life. And it can also advise as a suggestion to be polite and kind in your dealings that day, especially that day. So these are certain basic meanings that I gave you about the cards. And yes, one more thing, bouquet can also imply support, support system, or support is around. So these are certain basic meanings which you might have written it down in your note or journal. And that's it for now for this bouquet. Meet you with the next card. Bye.